Footage. Yes. Okay.
Yo, what's going on, everyone? Hope everyone's doing well. Welcome back to the video blog of the Backyard Dude. We've got some great, exciting news. And in today's video, we do a little bit of experimenting. Learned a lot, so let's get into the show. Yeah.
Kind of missed the lens there. Yeah, I don't think anyone will notice.
Yo, what's going on this morning? I hope everyone's doing well. I'm super excited this morning. We're going to pick up a new member of the team, the Backyard Dude. So let's get into the adventure. Yeah, let's do it. Woo! As you can see, we got a little bit of rain on our trip.
Hey, buddy, so you are going to be able to do captions for this one, right? Yeah, I know it's like a day left. Yeah, okay. Great. Okay, thanks. Bye.
Backyard Dude here. As you know, we put spoilers as well as side skirts, and we have a splitter on the front. So we had a choice of either painting it the same matching color as the vehicle or a contrasting color. But what we decided to do is we are going to go with a wrap. So in putting on a wrap, you have to have a smooth edge. And you could cut it, but there could be a possibility of damage on your vehicle. So instead what we use is a tape. It's basically called knifeless tape. What it is it's got a carrier tape, which is the green part that you see there. And then you can look very closely and you see that there's a filament in there, a very strong string. What you want to do is you want to get that string right on the edge of where you want your line to be. With that filament, you are able to cut the wrap, and you'll get a nice smooth clean edge and no chance of damaging your vehicle. So let's go ahead and install this now. We think that you're going to be pleased with the results of this.
What do you mean footage not found? Oh.
Cut off the end. Now we got to put on our other layer for the other side. Takes a little time to do it, but if you are patient with it, you'll really end up with good results.
Meanwhile, in the future...
Why don't they just like stretch it on?
For the front spoiler, we want the wrap to come around the whole edging. So we're going to put the tape on the inside as close as we can so that the wrap gets cut on the inside. You don't have any loose parts here. You can see how that bends pretty easily. You just press it down really tight. And then when the wrap goes on, it goes over the top of it. And then you pull away the filament and it amazingly just cuts right through that wrap. This may seem like a lot of work, but the finished results are pretty nice, and like I mentioned before, it reduces the possibility of you being able to use your knife and scratch up your paint or damage your attachments or anything. Everything comes out really clean. Sometimes quick and easy is the way to go, and then other times taking your time and doing it right is a lot better.
Well, I guess I could.
Dave's motto is just get a bigger hammer, but sometimes this is the way to do it. So we got our vehicle all prepped. We've got that knifeless tape all put in place, and we're gonna go ahead and apply the wrap. We think you're gonna be pretty pleased with the results, and this may be something that you're gonna wanna do for your vehicle. If you want your vehicle to stand out, which is part of our motto, design, build, stand out.
Oh, no, that's cheating. Well.
What's up, Teddy? Hi. Hey, Teddy. Hey. Hey, Teddy. Teddy, what's up? What's up, Teddy? This is the new member of the Backyard Dude. Yeah. You hear that? No. 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 Hey, no. Muchacho. Don't look at the camera. What's that? No. No.
Don't like puppies? What, Mr. Caption Guy? Fine, if they don't like puppies. Okay, we've got a cold start, we've got a puppy, and now let's wrap things up. I'm not proud of that.
You think that'll pass? I'm definitely not a tinter or a wrapper. Once we got done wrapping the pillars in the front, the two front pillars, we went ahead and tried wrapping the spoiler. So you can see right here, I got some of the curvature pretty good. Obviously this is an experimental piece. This wrap pretty not too bad right here. You can see it's not too bad for a first attempt, but let us know in the comments field if you like the carbon fiber look, and we'll see how we can improve on our wrapping ability. Yo, that's gonna be a wrap for the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and comment below. We'll see you on the next one. Yeah. Boom.